Welcome to our English class. Today, we're going to learn about sentence structure in English. Are you ready? Let's get started. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Every sentence needs two main parts: a subject and a predicate. The subject of a sentence tells us who or what the sentence is about. It's usually a noun or a pronoun. For example, in "The cat is sleeping," the cat is the subject. The predicate tells us what the subject is doing or describes the subject. It always includes a verb. For example, in "The cat is sleeping" is the predicate. When we combine the subject and the predicate, we get a complete sentence. Let's look at a few more examples. There are different types of sentences in English. Let's explore them. A declarative sentence makes a statement. For example, "I love pizza." An interrogative sentence asks a question. For example, "Do you like pizza?" An imperative sentence gives a command. For example, "Eat your pizza." An exclamatory sentence shows strong emotion. For example, "I love this pizza." Great job, everyone! Now you know the basics of sentence structure in English. Keep practicing, and you'll become a sentence superstar. If you have found this video helpful, then remember to like, comment and subscribe for more videos on British language terms.